One of the common traits in our family, lagi may nakakalimutan. Ayan, may nakalimutan siya. So ending, if you notice sa vlog, lagi kami nabalik sa house. Kasi nga, may nakakalimutan sila. So, this just proves na kapatid niya talaga yung mommy namin. So Tito Pouch will be having his drive-thru swab test here at St. Luke's for his flight back to Dubai. Let's see how it goes.
May flight ako.
Oh my!
Ako lang po. Vincent Paulo Rebolida. Email din. Yung pwede kong i-print through email din, no? Thank you. Dubai. Yun na yung i-print ko na. Thank you.
How was it? Super?
Masakit. Isa doon sa airport. Parang nagdugo.
Ba't binabad?
Ano?
Naiyak ka?
Hindi ko parehas lang ang feeling dun sa airport. Pero sa airport, ang bilis eh.
This time binabad eh.
Kaya sabi niya diretso. Kaya nung sinabi niya 10 to 15 seconds, ha? Yung sa airport ang ganyan, no?
Ba't pala in-ask natin?
Tas,
parang
why?
why?
Sige naman na.
Cute!
Mimit ko lang si Cliff, pero mga 5'5".
Last BGC with Tita Pouch. We're gonna miss for you. This month. Yeah, for this month. Kasi wala pang results yun. Just kidding. So there. We're going to Arabica coffee shop. Kasi again, coffeeholic. And it's our first time to try there.
Yeah, super cute pa naman. Hindi ko naman in-expect yung pumunta.
Based on the stories, yun nga, hindi kami naka-make off. Based on the stories of our friends, super IG ready. So let's see. One of the common traits in our family, lagi may nakakalimutan. Ayan, may nakalimutan siya. So ending, if you notice sa vlog, lagi kami nabalik sa house. Kasi nga, may nakakalimutan sila. So, this just proves na kapatid niya talaga yung mommy namin. So,
Kapatid
yeah.
yung mom ko.
So, pabalik kami na sa parking to get the items we forgot. waiting for our order. And we have a receipt. Walang sabi. So, yay! Pakita mo yung coffee. Soda ko. Wala nang coffee. Smile! Cheers! Wow, it's blinking every time there's a person inside the back. Done with our coffee fix. Cute taco! So dogs are allowed inside this coffee shop. Ano taco? So cute. Dito pa ako napagod oh. How to go up. Good job, baby. I think he's calling the other doggos. Hey guys, we are done with our coffee fix. We're now on our way to I don't know where, but it's a Japanese restaurant to have lunch. Kasi super hungry na kami. I've eaten breakfast since 7:30 AM and it's already 2 o'clock. So yeah, see ya. Baby husky guys, so cute. Aww. Gosh, para siyang lion. Aww, so cute. We are back and again, sira na kami escalator, so we need to take the stairs. So hungry. I'm super loved here. I enjoy seeing a lot of dogs. Parang yung dog community nandito talaga yung busy. So, sa mga dog lovers out there, this is the right place to be. Time to have lunch. Rice, chicken karaage, order. Let's eat lunch. So we are done eating. As usual, we are super full. because may bibilin si Tito Pao before he returns to Dubai. So, yeah, we're babysitting.
And they also accompanied him in that swap.
Yeah, kasi nag-drive-through swab testing sa Cebu. So,
Kaya nandito kami sa area.
after this, we'll be going home. Tapos si Serena, medyo nagtampo. We love you, baby girl.
Kuyat kasi.
Yeah, so di namin siya magising kanina nung maaga kami magising. So, let's go! Guys, napansin namin parang ang lakas ng hangin. Kapag tinaas mo yung face shield mo, pag di mo siya hinawakan, ay swelling pa rin talaga siya. So, ang daming standees here na tumba because of the wind here. So windy. It's a super windy day. Let's go. I hope lagi ganito yung weather. Sobrang comfy sa feeling and refreshing. But parang sobrang okay lakas lang to the point na lagi ka dapat makahawak sa face shield. Pag hindi kasi, ayan, hindi pa rin talaga siya super. So, there. But, yeah, this is better than super pawis. So, carry. Hey guys, we are now at Coffee Bean. So we're just waiting for Tito Cliff to arrive because Tito Pao and Tito Cliff. And then dito kami sa labas nag-stay because super daming dogs, so it's very entertaining. Grabe, nakakatuwa. All kinds of breeds. They are all here.